Namaskar, I am Dr. Deviprasad, President of SEOCON 2025. It gives me immense pleasure to invite you all to the 3rd International Conference of Society of Endoscopic Otolaryngologists to be held from 12th to 14th of September 2025 at Dr. Patil Medical College, Pimpri, Pune. Join us for a groundbreaking academic experience featuring endoscopic and microscopic hands-on temporal bone dissection, exclusive sessions on FMT and implants, innovations in single-handed and two-handed endoscopic surgeries, orations by Professor Milinsky, Professor Marcioni and our national faculty, research paper presentation by consultants and postgraduates. Whether you are a seasoned expert or an enthusiastic learner, SEOCON 2025 promises learning, inspiration and global collaboration. Visit us on www.seocon.in for more details. Let's come together to shape the future of ENT surgery. See you at Pune this September. Thank you.